Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, let's see how I create this basic search option. So if you type something here, you can see for product has been displayed here. If you search something like Apple, and if you press search, you can see all the Apple products has been displayed here. And this pagination is also working, but there is no more than 4 products, so this is going to work. So if you search something like Samsung, you can see all the Samsung devices has been displayed here. You don't want to you don't have to search by the whole name. If you just search by S, you can see all the product that has the letter S has been displayed here. And let me show you the example. If you type something like Huawei, you can see all the Huawei product has been displayed here. So this is the basic search function. So let's see how I create it using PHP. So first I have my basic search for the search button. So this is the basic search, and I have passed the integer of 0. And if you go to my home.text script.js, and if you type search for basic search, yeah, you can see basic search is here, and it is getting the value x that we are passing here as 0. So and simple, first thing is getting the text from the search bar, and the second one is the select tag. You can see we have the select tag here also for the categories. And here I have a form, and I have append my text value to the formula as the key of T, and the select value as the key of S, and the page as X, and this is X for the pagination part. So I have my HTTP request, and checking that if this ready state is equal to 4, it means that engine response is successfully. And if it is successful, you can see document.get element by id basic search result dot in html as the T. It means the basic search result. If you go to home.php, just copy this, and I'm going to search by that. Okay, you can see this carousel basic search result. So basically this basic search result will be displayed as the response text. Okay, that's how you can get the product displayed in the search if you search this like that. Okay, and finally I have my request open as the first method, and basic search process.php is the destination, and for the ajax it's been true, and finally I have sent my form. So let's search for this basic search process. So as basic search process means yeah, here you can see, and this is pretty simple, guys. And first I have requirement database connection to the database, and the T and the S we are getting from the post method, and I have simple variable called query, and select all from product. This is the main query, and I'm checking that if the text and the selected select tag has been is equal to 0 and empty. It is not empty, the query going to be changed as where title like this is the wildcard title like the text that input we are inputting here. So otherwise it's going to check the if text is empty and the select tag is not equal to 0. It's going to change the query is going to change as where category id is equal to select, and there is not if it is not, and if it is text is not empty, and the select is not also the empty, the query is going to be changed as where title like this file card title like text and category id is equal to select. So the whole query is changing depending on these three logics. So here it's also for the pagination, this symbol. If 0 is not equal to post page means that x we are getting from the JavaScript side, and if it is not going to page number equal to page, and else page number is equal to 1. And this is for the database part. Database, we are getting the database item by that query, and result per page is equal to 10. It means it's going to limit 10 product for the page. And this is number of page. We have seal function. This is a product num, and going to divide by using result per page. And this is pretty much it. And I have multiplied by result per page. And here for the selected rs, I have the query limited result per page. You can see it's limiting by 10. And this is the for loop to look through the product we are getting from the database. And here inside that loop, I have my image for the product image. This is the query for that. And this is pretty much for the image functionality. I'm manipulating the image code here. So it means the database. You can see if I go to my database, you can see it's called code, the column called code. So I'm getting the code, and this is going to be the title and the price. And if the selected data quantity is more than 0, and also for the quantity and some functionality. This is for the pagination, and if the page number is less than or equal to 1, not going to do anything. But if it is not, basic function, you can see this function basic search, and it's going out page number -1. It's going to go for the previous page. So if it is not the active page, you can see x is being printed in here. This because x is 1 2 3 4 whatever the page number is, it's going to print. And this for the next one, so instead of minus, this is going to be +1. So that's it, guys. This is how it's working. Yeah. So thank you.